Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is all about machine learning. What is machine learning? Why it is important? What are the application of the machine learning? Why it is very important subject nowadays in every field of science and education. Machine learning is anything that we use data to learn machine. So machine learning is a very important subject which learn from information from data and predict some decisable information. It is not like other language where there is defined rule, but in machine learning we actually train the machine so that they can learn from data.
Traditional programming relies on explicit rules and logic defined by humans to solve problems. In contrast, machine learning uses data and algorithms to learn patterns and make predictions automatically. While traditional methods require manual updates, machine learning systems improve through training, enabling smarter and more adaptive solutions over time. Machine learning has evolved from simple pattern recognition to advanced deep learning systems. Initially rule-based, it grew with statistical methods, neural networks, and big data. Modern ML powers AI applications in healthcare, finance, robotics, and more. Continuous innovation drives smarter, faster, and more autonomous systems, shaping the future of technology.
Machine learning involves understanding data, training models, and making predictions. Data is collected and processed to identify patterns. Models are trained using algorithms to learn from this data. Once trained, they predict outcomes on new information, improving accuracy over time. This process enables automation, decision-making, and intelligent system development. Supervised learning is a machine learning approach where models are trained on labeled data. The algorithm learns a relationship between input and output to make accurate predictions. Common techniques include classification and regression. It's widely used in applications like email filtering, unsupervised learning is a machine learning diagnosis for reliable results. Unlabeled data. Instead of known outputs, the algorithm finds hidden patterns, relationships, or groupings within the data. Common methods include clustering and dimensionality reduction. It's useful for tasks like market segmentation, anomaly detection, and data exploration without prior labeling. While reinforcement learning is a machine learning technique where an agent learns through trial and error by interacting with an environment, it receives rewards or penalties based on actions, aiming to maximize long-term rewards. This approach is widely used in robotics, gaming, and decision-making systems for adaptive, goal-oriented behavior. Common machine learning algorithms include linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and support vector machines. For complex data, algorithms like k-nearest neighbors, random forests, and gradient boosting are used. Neural networks and deep learning models handle advanced tasks. Each algorithm is chosen based on data type, problem complexity, and accuracy needs. Machine learning is a powerful technology that enables systems to learn from data and improve without explicit programming. It automates tasks, enhances decision-making, and drives innovation across industries like healthcare, finance, and agriculture. Its importance lies in efficiency, accuracy, and adaptability, shaping intelligent solutions that solve complex real-world problems. Machine learning plays a crucial role in modern horticulture and agriculture by enhancing productivity, sustainability, and decision-making. It enables accurate crop disease detection through image analysis, allowing timely intervention. Predictive models help forecast yield and optimize resource use. Smart irrigation systems powered by ML ensure efficient water management. Weather and soil data analysis supports better planting schedules and pest control strategies. Additionally, machine learning powers automated harvesting robots and drone-based monitoring for large-scale farms. It also improves market forecasting, helping farmers make informed economic decisions. Overall, ML revolutionizes traditional farming into a more efficient, data-driven, and sustainable system.